In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display blog posts in Zoho Sites. Zoho Sites doesn't currently include a built-in widget to show your latest blog posts, but there's a simple workaround. We'll embed a third-party RSS feed widget. RSS is just a live feed of your blog's updates, and most blogging platforms provide one automatically. Our plan is to generate an embed code from an RSS widget service, then paste that code into your Zoho Sites page. Start by opening your browser and going to rssfeedwidget.com. This site lets you design a small block that pulls in your posts. Before you customize anything, locate your blog's RSS feed URL. On many platforms, it's something like your blog.com/feed or your blog.com/RSS. If you're unsure, check your blog platform's help docs or look for an RSS icon on your blog and copy that link. Paste the feed URL into the widget builder. Now configure the content and design. Pick how many posts you want to show, whether to include dates, snippets, and thumbnails, and choose a layout that fits your page. Keep an eye on width and height so it looks good on desktop and mobile. If there's an option for responsiveness, turn it on. Also, make sure the code uses HTTPS so it displays securely. When the preview looks right, generate the embed code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, head to Zoho Sites and sign in. Use your preferred sign-in method and complete any prompts. From your Zoho Sites dashboard, open the site you want to edit. In the left panel, go to Pages, then open the specific page where you want your blog post to appear and click Edit Content. Inside the page editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. Choose Element, then select Code Snippet. A dialog box will appear where you can paste code. Paste the RS widget code you copied earlier. If you see an option to treat the input as HTML or custom code, enable it so the widget can run properly. Click OK to insert it into the page. You should now see the widget area appear in your layout. If it looks cramped, adjust the section spacing or place it in a wider column. If it doesn't render immediately, don't worry. Some widgets display fully only in preview or on the live page. If nothing shows up, double-check your RSS feed URL, make sure the embed code wasn't altered by formatting, and confirm that scripts are allowed in your plan. That's it. You've embedded your latest blog posts into Zoho Sites using an RSS widget, and you can always return to tweak the widget's settings or styling for a perfect fit.